Hey there! Welcome to this tutorial, where I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating an Etsy account, the popular online marketplace that showcases handmade and vintage items. Whether you're just starting a small business or looking to sell vintage finds or DIY crafts, open your web browser and go to the Etsy website at etsy.com. To get started, head over to the Etsy homepage, where you'll see the Register button in the top right corner. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a sign-up page that will ask for your email address, name, and a password for your account. Be sure to create a secure password that you can remember. Etsy advises using a mixture of symbols, letters, and numbers to make it difficult for others to access your account. Next, you'll need to set up your store profile. Your profile is the face of your store and showcases your brand to potential customers. Once you've successfully signed into your Etsy account, choose a name that reflects your brand and the products you want to sell. Make it memorable and easy to remember, so people can find you quickly. Your Etsy account is now created, and you can start browsing and ordering. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see your name and profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on your name will take you to your account settings, where you can update your details, change your password, and manage your notifications. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to signing into your Etsy account. Remember to keep your login details safe and to log out of your account.